Year 2. Today we're going to be doing an art lesson and we're going to be exploring colour. For this lesson you're going to want some paper and any of the following: colour pens, some paints or colour pencils. You can have all of them as well. And for your first activity I want you to find some objects around the house made up of the rainbow. Make sure you ask permission from your grown-ups first. Now that you've found the objects, can you name the primary and secondary colours? Are you able to sort your objects into those colours? Now you can check how you did. So our primary colours are red, blue and yellow, and our secondary colours are orange, green and purple. How did you do? So now we're going to have a look at why they're called secondary colours. So I'm going to put some of my primary colours down first, all the primary colours. So I have red and I have yellow and I have blue. And now I'm going to see how I can make the secondary colours. So if I have red first, so I'm going to put it in my palette and I'm going to mix it with some yellow. What colour have I got? I might get a little bit more red. You can see that that is turning into an orange colour, so that gives me a secondary colour. I wonder what will happen if I mix yellow and blue. So here's my yellow and some blue. Oh, it's gone quite a dark green. If I want to make it lighter, I can add a little bit more yellow. So now I have like a lime green. And finally, I'm going to mix red. I'm going to make sure I've got lots of red. And my primary colour blue. And that turns into purple. Now I can make different tones by adding different amounts of the primary colours. Maybe you could give that a go too. Using our colour wheel again, you can see that it's split into warm and cool colours. When we think of warm colours, we think of colours like red, yellow and orange, and they give us those warm feelings and remind us of the sun or fire. When we look at cool colours, such as blue, greens and purples, it might make us feel colder and it reminds us of things like water or grass. Here's some art using lots of warm colours. What can you see? What makes them the same? What makes them different? How do they make you feel? Here's some art using cool colours. Again, what can you see that might be the same or different? How do they make you feel? Do they make you feel different to the pictures that were made with warm colours? So now I have an activity for you. I'd like you to create a picture using warm or cool colours. You can draw it, paint it, colour it with pencils or pens. Some things that might help you are day and night, because it's really easy to use the warm and cool colours, or hot and cold. If you're not sure, I've got some pictures for you to look at and they might give you some ideas of what you could do. Here's some ideas of some different artwork. As you can see, all these pieces of art have got warm and cool together. Can you add different tones, lines and shapes to your drawings? Could you paint or draw just a cool colour picture or just a warm colour picture? I'd love to see what you've created in the comments below. Enjoy and have fun, and I'll see you again soon.